Great. Well, we're happy to be presenting you today with the live version of RoloDEX, not just the UI, but actually with a full backend complete. So over here, I'm going to start in a personal window by joining a directory. And we see that the first directory available to everybody is Weave Global, which is sort of our broad directory for everybody that's on the RoloDEX platform. Now, we really emphasize to all users that we are trying to set this up in a way that is using self-sovereign data, meaning that everything is fully owned and controlled by the users. And let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in a lot of details over here. So just give me a moment. I'm a salmon man. We can go and enter quite a few details over here. This stuff isn't necessary, as you can see, it's skipped for now, but over here, let's add a few. Let's just make sure this looks good. And I think that should be good for now. Now, the cool thing about this page is that we can go and decide what we actually want to be shared with other people. So, maybe I don't want my email address visible in this global directory, or, maybe for my address, I want to just know, what country I'm in. And we also get some cool options like making our birthday available for confidential computing, so that I can, for example, only be showing that I was born in April, for example, or April 24th, and still allowing my full birth year to be available for confidential computing, to sort of understand like the average age of everybody in the directory, for example. And same over here, I don't necessarily want to share my phone number or Telegram with the broader world, so I am fine with showing our Twitter. Great, so everything looks good over here. Join the directory. Congratulations, I have joined Weave Global. So here I can go to the directory. I am the first member over here. You can see that all these bits are appropriate. But one of the cool things is that I can see what does my directory profile look like. And this is using those settings that I said earlier for what is visible and not. So that phone number that I put in is not visible as part of this directory. And you can see that I am the only member right now. So, one thing that I want to go into is over to my full profile, and I will connect my MetaMask. Great. I see my wallet address over there, so now I have that as part of my profile as well. Now, I actually want to go and set up a second email over here account, because directories are not that fun when it's only one person. So let's go and set up a second account over here for, let's see, this one here. I am going to do a quick double check on this. Plenty of debugging over here. And there we go. Join a directory with global. We see it has one member now. I'll join. And this time I'm going to be doing a profile on behalf of Weavechain's corporate account. And Laura is going to be a tutor lover. And we can go and skip these bits for now. Let's say we'll just do country over here and birthday. Yeah, we can share that. That's fine. We'll make the full birthday available on this computer. So now we have Laura's second profile. So you have two numbers over here. Nice. And now we have, you see Omar and we partnerships are part of this directory. We have my profile over here. So let's go and see what happens if I'm clicking on the Omar profile from the perspective of the partnerships. And this is great. We're seeing precisely that information that was visible before. Again, none of the information that is, let's say, hidden from the Omar profile is visible from Weave partnerships. And we can do the same from over here. If Omar is checking out Weave partnerships, they can go and see that over here. So one cool thing about this is, what we're trying to do is say, I want to enable people to go and add information on their own, and then have other people in the directory be able to see that updated information. So over here, I go and say Weave partnerships. You can add a job title for Weavechain as head of partnerships. Then we can go and see in my directory profile these things. We went and just got these new fields added over here. And of course, I could change that to say, maybe I want to only show my company, but not my job title. Right. This is my directory profile for Weave Global. And when the Omar account goes and looks at Weave partnerships, our hope is that we're going to be able to see that when it's updated. There's the Weavechain over there. And one of the things that we really like over here is that I think we can go and request some details. Boldy, do you remember how we go and add these people to contacts? Oh, I see over here we have Weave partnerships. Do you know how we go and do any requests, Boldy, or is that something we're still working on?
Sure, go back to contacts, select the contact, and in the top right corner,
that
yeah, that's it.
Great. So select all over here. And I'll share my information. I have to go and show my phone number and Telegram for this individual user I'm looking to share information with. Okay. Let's loop over here, but let's go see over on we see that I have sent information to Weave partnerships or to Weave partnerships. Over here, requests. I see that I have a request to share information with Omar. Hey Scott, just hold on for a minute. We'll finish your recording. And then here I'm going to go and share my job title. And here I'll just go back over here. We'll see that Now I do have the phone number and Telegram from Omar Aligar for the Weave Partnerships account. And if we go back to my contacts, we see that we received information from Weave Partnerships, including the job title. So, the functionality that we're showing here is pretty straightforward, we think, but we also think it's a very cool innovation for how contact information should be shared with Weave parties. It's fully self-sovereign, meaning that I get to control my own personal record and then selectively share information with others. And we think that this will achieve really cool scale with a service like the blockchains added into it. Thanks so much, and we'll be in touch for our final demo shortly. Thanks.